Alrighty, Jambox breaks here. It's 11:15 p.m. Eastern Time. Tom Brady sucks, Tom. 9:30, September the 30th. We're breaking out the first 8 boxes of, what's up, Jolenta? First 8 boxes of Origins. What's up, Shannon? Football. Pick your team. Alright, list of rules, guys. Multiplayer hits, relics, autos, user end.org, term owner of the card, unless it's majority owner. In that case, they will get it. Everything is team representativeness. If I 20 Panini points, I'll use random at the end of the break. Redemption is good with some checklist on groupbreakchecklist.com or cardboard connection. All right, here's who we got in the break. We got Chris with the Ravens. Bills go to David. Thomas with the Bears. Bengals go to David. James with the Browns. Cowgirls go to David. Matt with the Broncos. Packers go to Jason. Frank with the Texans. Chiefs. Dolphins go to David. Jolenta with the Vikings. Patriots go to Chris. Shannon with the Saints. Giants go to Eric. David with the Jets, Raiders go to Fred, David with the Eagles, Chargers go to Eric, Jacob with the Seahawks, Rams, Titans, and Redskins go to David, Jolenta with the 19 combo, Cardinals, Falcons, Panthers, Lions, Colts, Jags, Steelers, 49ers, and Bucks. Good luck, everybody. What's up, Eric? If he was in this, I'd pull it. All right, first 8, second 8's already posted. I think there's 16 left. Oh man, we'll go out tomorrow. I'm gonna bust my ass tonight, get everything out. That's 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. All right. Soon we'll bust that tomorrow, or over the weekend or something. You guys will be bored. So I got to Wednesday again. For those that here earlier, I'll be posting Playbook on Sunday. It comes out Wednesday, so I got a couple cases. I'm gonna post them. Hopefully we can get them all broken on Wednesday. It's pretty cheap. It's a good product. There's actually a lot of vet autos in it this year, which is the first time ever. So it's pretty cool. You get 1 book and 1 memorabilia or auto per box. Sometimes the book is just memorabilia as well, but it's 2 hits per box. What's up, Fred? It's a really nice product. We did a lot of it last year. No, I'm not doing any basketball, Logan. Basketball don't fill my room. I told you that. So I don't ever do basketball. All right, we got that one's peeling pretty bad. Brandon Cooks, big peel mark on it. All right, Tannehill, Wilson, Philip Rivers, number 2, 180. If I could fill basketball, I would do a ton of it. I love basketball cards. All right, next up we got Kenyon Drake, nice 3-color, numbered 26/49. Going to David. Redemption time already. First up, we have a rookie jumbo autographs gold of Kenneth Dixon, very nice, Baltimore. Gold, I don't know what they're numbered to, maybe 10, 50, I can't remember. So good, Chris, nice hit. Kenneth Dixon's a stud for the Ravens. Well, supposed to be. The Ravens stink. What's up, Joseph? Next up, Seattle. CJ Prosise, 33/49 on the silver ink. Very nice. I'm going to Jacob. Jacob keeps having the luck with Seattle. Nice hit, boss. All right, box 2. Yeah, I think they're to 50. But since that one has the relic on it, it might be to 10. So I don't know. There's 2 different golds. All right, first up, LaShawn McCoy. We got Stephon Diggs, Peyton Manning, and Derek Carr, number 2, 150. First up for Buffalo, Jumbo Relic, 83/149, going to David. Oh, I didn't say who it was. Jonathan Williams. So it's getting late. Next up for the G-Men, Paul Perkins on the RPA, number to 25. No color in that one. Still nice. Going to Eric. Eric P. And very nice hit for the Bengals. Good old Tyler Boyd on the auto. Number to 10. See, that gold's number to 10. Number to 10. Very nice. Good Good money right there, David. Tyler Boyd sells. And you put number 83 on there too. You don't do that very often. Alright, box 3. Alright, redemption again. Colin Kaepernick. Jamal Charles. Abdullah. Russell Wilson, numbered to 150. Next up, Dak Prescott. Very nice. Numbered 65 and 99. Nice 3-color. 2 different blues in there with some stitches. Cowgirls going to David. Nice hit. Next up for Houston, Tyler Urban. Houston going to Frank. And redemption time. We got rookie jumbo patch autographs of Trevor Davis. Trevor Davis. Someone help me out there. I don't know who Trevor Davis is. I don't know where he's at. Card number 32. Box 4. Can you look it up? I don't want to say Green Bay and not be Green Bay. See, he's saying Bears, you're saying Green Bay. If first comes to worst, I can always look it up at the end of the break. I think it is Green Bay too. I'm not positive on that. Packers, okay. Eddie knows his shit. So we got 2 Green Bays. I'm gonna say Green Bay. Going to Jason H. All right, we got Jarvis Landry, Zach Ertz, Alex Smith, Colin Kaepernick, number 2, 150. Come on, give us Dak Autos, Jumbo Relic. 149, going to the Cowgirls, going to David. Dak Prescott. Next up, for New York, we got a Paul Perkins. Very nice. 6/49. Going to Eric. And nice RPA again of Tyler Boyd, not numbered, but 2-color. Very nice. Going to David. Box 5. Where's Guy at? He's not on. He always stops in and says hello every break. It's not the same without him. All right. We got J.J. Watt. Brandon Cooks. Frank Gore. Adrian Peterson, number 2, number to 60. Next up for the Texans, we have a Will Fuller. Nice 2-color, 44/99. On the Frank. Next up for Denver, going to Matt. Very nice, 3-color, not numbered, but Devontae Booker. Nice RPA. And Texans hit again with a Will Fuller auto, number to 25. Now Giants is getting mad now. On the Frank. All right, 3 left. Need a damn 101 in this product. We have yet to pull one. All right, Amir Abdullah. Philip Rivers, Steve Smith Jr., and Sue, numbered to 150 for Miami. Next up for Buffalo, Jumbo at 149, going to David. Cardell Jones. RPA, we have a Oakland, DeAndre Washington, nice 2-color. Oakland is Fred, nice hit. And Giants hit again with a Sterling Shepard, not numbered. Sterling Shepard going to Eric. Eric P. All right, 2 left. None of the big boys yet. All right, we have a T.Y. Hilton, Sammy Watkins, Tyrod Taylor, Jeremy Maclin, number to 99, Kansas City. Next up, Paxton Lynch on the Jumbo Relic at a 99, Denver, going to Matt. For Buffalo, nice hit, Jonathan Williams, not numbered. And we got a pretty nice one coming up. RPA, Laquan Treadwell, going to Jalenta, nice hit, Minnesota. He's not numbered. All right, 1 box to go. Good luck, everyone. No book yet. Not guaranteed to get one. Usually get one, but in this case, didn't have one either. Really thick card in there, though. All right, Ashlon Jeffrey. We got Doug Martin, Ryan Fitzpatrick, Zach Ertz, number to 150. Next up for Seattle, nice camo, 6 of 10, Marshawn Lynch. Seattle hits nice again, going to Jacob. Jacob's got good luck with these guys. Gotta find a 180. I don't have one sitting here. For the Bears, we got Jordan Howard. Going to Thomas. Nice hit's going to be a redemption. Redemption time. Rookie jumbo patch autographs of Kevin Hogan, Kansas City. Kansas City. David. So none of the top 3 guys yet, or 4 I should say. Dak, Zeke, Wentz, or I guess top 3 guys. Never mind. Derrick Henry's pretty big too. All right, guys. Thank you for filling. Again, I'll have all this shipped tomorrow. I'm going to get to sorting right now. It wasn't a full case. Logan Goff, that's right. It wasn't a full case. Only the first 8. So they haven't got a case hit yet. I mean, out of 10's a pretty low numbered card too. I think we got 2 of them, but usually there's going to be a book. There's not always, but there generally is. Or a 6-way auto or something like that. And Beast Mode was nice too. So, all right, everyone. I'll get everything filled up or everything shipped out to you in the morning. Appreciate it. Again, the other half is up. That's the last break I'll have until Wednesday. So, let you guys save your money for a little bit, a couple days. Thanks, guys. Take care. Have a great night.